gearbox is looking sharp. Cleaned up all the brackets as well, obviously in the black. Just going to replace this boot which I've got coming. Obviously the seals here on either side, and the old clutch fork boot as well. And yeah, I think I've got some Powerflex engine mount bushers coming as well, so I'll get that all sorted and pressed in, and we'll be looking good to go on the gearbox front, and just the rest of the mission to do. Oh, as you can see, this here is just torn away from obviously where it's meant to be, so I'm not sure what my luck will be, but I might try and glue it back with some sort of, I guess, contact adhesive like ADOS or something like that. See if I can get it to stick. Don't really know what it's all just in one piece in its factory form, so I don't really know if that would work, but I know it's not one, well, oh, who knows. But yeah, potentially, well, failing that, if that's not going to work, I will just take this seat to the upholsterers, probably with a cover, and say, can you fix it?